Ever feel like you're drowning in emails? We all get them. Bills, work updates, that weird chain email from your aunt about the dangers of microwaving plastic. Seriously, Aunt Linda? But then there are those emails you just don't need, the ones that clutter your inbox and make you groan every time you see the sender's name. For many of us, that sender might be Borrowell. You know, the credit score monitoring service that keeps you updated on your all-important credit health. Look, credit score monitoring is great. It helps you stay on top of your financial well-being. But what if you're no longer interested in Borrowell services, or maybe you just find the constant emails overwhelming? If you're nodding your head right now, fear not. Unsubscribing from Borrowell emails is absolutely doable. But there's a slight catch. It depends on the type of email you're getting. Here's the breakdown. Promotional emails, adios, annoying offers. These are the emails that try to sell you Borrowell's credit products or other financial services. They might have subject lines like boost your credit score today or unlock exclusive loan rates. These emails are the easiest to ditch. Most companies, including Borrowell, are required by law to include an unsubscribe link at the bottom of their promotional emails. Look for a small, oftentimes bolded text that says unsubscribe or manage preferences. Click that link, follow the on-screen instructions, and voila! No more sales pitches in your inbox. Transactional emails, the credit score conundrum. This is where things get a little trickier. Borrowell also sends transactional emails, which are updates about your Borrowell account and credit score. These might be notifications about changes to your credit report, weekly or monthly score updates, or reminders about upcoming account fees, if applicable. Unfortunately, Borrowell doesn't offer a straight-up unsubscribe option for these emails. They consider them essential for keeping you informed about your credit health. However, there are a couple of things you can do. Adjust the frequency. Borrowell does allow you to adjust how often you receive these emails. You can usually access this option through your account settings on their website or app. Look for something like notification preferences and choose how frequently or infrequently you want those credit score updates. The deactivation option, a double-edged sword. This is the nuclear option. Deactivating your Borrowell account will stop all emails, both promotional and transactional. But here's the catch. Deactivating also means pausing your credit monitoring service. This might not be ideal if you actively use Borrowell to track your credit health. Beyond Borrowell, general email management tips. Now, unsubscribing from Borrowell is just one battle in the never-ending war against email overload. Here are some additional tips to help you reclaim your inbox. Utilize spam filters. Most email providers have built-in spam filters that can help keep unwanted emails out of your inbox. Take some time to familiarize yourself with your email provider's settings and customize your spam filters to fit your needs. Create filters and labels. Many email platforms allow you to create filters and labels to organize your inbox. You can set up a filter to automatically move emails from specific senders, like Borrowell, to a designated folder, keeping your main inbox clean. The unsubscribe button is your friend. Whenever you sign up for a new service, always scan the email for the unsubscribe link. It might be buried at the bottom, but it's usually there. Don't hesitate to click it if you start receiving unwanted emails. Periodic inbox cleanups. Schedule regular cleanups of your inbox. Delete old emails you don't need anymore, unsubscribe from inactive subscriptions, and make use of your email provider's archive features. By following these tips and strategically unsubscribing from Borrowell emails, you can transform your inbox from a chaotic mess into a streamlined haven of important information. Remember, a clean inbox is a happy inbox. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.